Hey everyone, welcome to another English grammar lesson. Today we're going to be covering two very commonly confused words, your and your. So this is about as simple as it gets. The first your, Y-O-U-R, is possessive, meaning that something belongs to you in the sentence. That is your car. Is this your phone? I like your shirt. Simple, right? If there's ownership or possession in the sentence, we use Y-O-U-R. And the other your is just as easy. It's simply a contraction for the words you are. So whenever you see this word, you should be able to read it as you are, and it should still make sense. You're really funny. You are really funny. I don't think you're ready for this. I don't think you are ready for this. You're not serious, are you? You are not serious, are you? Okay, let's try some. I found your earrings. Well, the earrings seem to belong to someone in the sentence. Someone possesses them. Someone owns them. They belong to you. So, you would say your, Y-O-U-R, possessive. Also, if you tried to use the contraction here, the sentence would technically be saying, I found you are earrings, and that doesn't really make sense. You're my best friend. Okay, so what you're really saying here is that you are my best friend. And which one of these means you are? Well, the second one. Couple more. You don't know where you're going. You don't know where you're going. You don't know where. You don't know where you are going. You are. So, contraction. All right, let's try a little challenge one for the last one here. You're your own worst enemy. Okay. So, what is this sentence really trying to say? You're your own worst enemy. You are, contraction, your, possessive, own worst enemy. You're your own worst enemy. Yeah, like this. Cool. Well, whether you came here for a refresher or are just now learning this stuff for the first time, hope this video helped. Be sure to check out the free practice down in the description, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.